Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Vice President ke HYC ubadon boklang kharlingdo. Hadian ke jingwan pan maap jong Director ke Neigrihms Dr. Nalian Mehta hapla kete ke jaka ai jing sumar ula Kyntait ya ke jing Khublei keti jong u. Dr. Mehta ula ai ke jing Khublei keti komshi benta ban pinpau ya ke jing trailang bat kiseng bhalang. Henrai na kaliang keseng namar ke jing bitar halor ke jing keno ute Director ba ke HYC kelawan ha kete ke jaka ban pinkulmar komta Vice President ula Kyntait ya kete ke jing Khublei keti.
You in the same way,
Yeah, next
and
next
we will
day
put our resources together and do whatever is required.
It's okay.
Yes,
We-
no, he
you-
has something to say.
You can
Please let
fix
me
a
know
date.
when.
We'll fix
Please
a
let
date
me know
and
when.
we'll meet. We'll
And
fix a
you-
date and we'll
Dur
meet.
Shafran! Please don't get angry. Dur Shafran! Dur Shafran! Dur Shafran!
I will handshake after completion. After
Let
you
us do that.
fulfill our demands.
I have a request.
No. Until you fulfill our demands, I will handshake with you.
I cannot.
Sorry for today.
All right.
Because you have
Some
welcomed
leaders,
in such that manner.
some leaders are upset. Our members all are coming here. Some more are coming. We could have taken a drastic step. There could have been a law and order situation in this hospital.
I do not wish to upset you. We will work together and
We
take
never
this forward.
expect as this designation of directors of
Director
Neigrihms.
to behave
No,
like
we will take this forward in a positive manner.
Okay,
And
we'll fix another day.
whatever I can do, I will do. Whatever I cannot do, I will ask the ministry
we'll
to
discuss
do.
that on
But
the
I need you to
discussion.
know, and these gentlemen have seen that the letter that you have given us is being forwarded to the ministry with point by point request to follow as per this. And if
We'll
they
have a
agree to that, I am more than willing to implement, because this is not my hospital. I am just running it on behalf
That's
of
why
the
you came here.
I know that.
Essentially, we are the locals. You have to know how to behave.
But
You
I
have to know how
am
to welcome
governed
the
by
local
the central
people.
government and the constitution.
Doctor, let me interject.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so anyway, you've taken back your word.
Absolutely,
You've apologized before them.
absolutely,
They've also agreed to have a discussion with you. So let them fix a fresh date. They'll intimate you. So
Definitely.
have a healthy discussion. Okay?
Always.
Have a
And
healthy
I assure
discussion.
you of that.
No, we expect, since morning we expect the healthy discussion will
We will take
be.
it forward. That's my promise to you.
And it has to be made very clear. Whatever can be done at your
Will be
capacity
done.
will be done. Whatever
100%.
has to be done, you forward to the concerned authority. They will also follow up with the concerned authority.
Because
like
I
they said
need you to go back with my assurance that I am working for the people of Meghalaya.
Let's see after we discuss
And-
the issues. Let's see whether you're working for the locals or
Oh, yeah,
not.
we
Let's
can.
see after.
Anyway,
We
you have
have-
at least fix another date.
Please let me
Let's
know
fix
when.
another date.
And
Yeah.
on 6th, 5th, 6th and 7th I will be traveling. So if you want, would it be after that or you want to do that before?
We'll let you know. We'll let you know. The person who called me, I don't know who, Kit or something.
So we'll get in touch with you.
We'll get in touch.